says a Florida juice company completes the preparation of its products by sterilizing, filling, and labeling bottles. Each case of OJ, or orange juice, requires 9 minutes for sterilizing, 6 minutes for filling, and 1 minute for labeling. Each case of grapefruit juice requires 10 minutes for sterilizing, 4 minutes for filling, and 2 minutes for labeling. Each case of tomato juice requires 12 minutes for sterilizing, 4 minutes for filling, and 1 minute for labeling. If the company runs the sterilizing machine for 398 minutes, the filling machine for 164 minutes, and the labeling machine for 58 minutes, how many cases of each type of juice are prepared? Okay, so a lot of information here. Usually the last sentence tells us what our variables are and what they're looking for. So I'm going to let x equal the cases of OJ, y equal the cases of GJ, and z equal the cases of TJ. Now, because I have 3 variables, I need 3 equations. And because I'm going to solve this with a matrix, I'm just going to make a table. I'm not actually going to write out the equations. So my matrix, I'm going to have a sterilizing, a filling, and a labeling. And then my x, y, and z and totals are going to be across the top. So whenever you solve with a matrix, you always need to have your x, y, and z across the top like this. Okay, so for the OJ, it is 9, 6, and 1. So that 9, 6, and 1 is just going to go like that. For the grapefruit juice, it's 10, 4, and 2. So like that. And then the tomato juice is 12, 4, and 1. And then my totals are right here. So 398, 164, and 58. So if you type those into the calculator and do an RREF, then you should get this. So my final answer is going to be x is 6 cases of OJ, y is 20 cases of GJ, and z is 12 cases of TJ.